These are the coding mistakes that prove that you're a self-taught developer. Look, I'm also self-taught, no shame in that. But there are very obvious signs that scream, I learned from YouTube tutorials at 2 a.m. First, zero error handling. Your code works perfectly until it doesn't. Self-taught devs write the happy parts only. No try-catch block, no validation, just pure optimism. But if you have learned anything from Milo Murphy's law, everything that could go wrong will go wrong. Second, variable names like data, temp, tin, x2. You learn to code, not to communicate. Computer science students get points deducted for this. You've got zero feedback, so your code base reads like an alphabet soup. Third, comments everywhere or nowhere. Either you're commenting this adds 1 to I on every line, or your 500 line function has zero explanation because you definitely remember what it does. 4. Reinventing the wheel constantly. You built your own authentication system, you built your own data parser, you own everything. Why? Because you didn't know the library existed. Now you're maintaining buggy code that someone sold better than you a decade ago. 5th, git commits like fix bug, updated file. Version control was something you learned after a year of coding, and it shows. 6th, tutorial hell survivor. Your project structure is a Frankenstein monster of 5 different tutorials stitched together. Nothing matches, nothing makes sense, but somehow it runs. Here's the thing though, these mistakes don't make you a bad developer, they make you human. The difference between a junior and a senior dev isn't where you learned, it's whether you're making these mistakes 2 years later.